Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 2 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 2 and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter logical reasoning. Then we'll do the chapter multiplication. Okay, so here I'm on grade 2 math. The chapter we are on right now, we're going to start with is logical reasoning. Let's just start with each chapter. Logical reasoning. So here we have the lesson that is guess the number. So let's just start with the lesson guess the number. Okay, so let's just start with the question. The first one is I am an odd number. You do not say me when you count by fives. I am greater than 2 but less than 6. What number am I? So just read the question carefully. You will get your answer. So odd number it is, right? Also, you do not say me when you count by fives. I am greater than 2 but less than 6. Okay, greater than 2. You have 3, 4 and 5, right? Here you have you do not say me when you count by fives. That means 5 is not included. And that is an odd number. 4 is an even number. So the correct option is 3 because the only odd number here is 3. Got it? So the correct option is 3. Okay, let's just start with the test question. Okay, I am a two digit number, right? I have a 1 in the tens place. You say me when you count by tens. What number am I? Very good. The correct option is 10. Let me explain how, right? Okay, I am a two digit number. That means the number is a two digit number. I have a 1 at the tens place. So when you write a number, the number 1 at the tens place, you say me when you count by tens. So here is the last hint. So the correct option is 10 because you cannot say 1 when you count by 10. Also, you cannot say 11 when you count by tens, right? So yes, the correct option is 10. Got it? Okay, the next one is I am a 1. I have a 2 in the ones place. I am greater than 31 but less than 35. So which number it is? Okay, two digit. I have a 2 in the ones place. So you have 1 and 10. So here you have 2 at the ones place. I am greater than 31 and less than 35. That means 32, 33, and 34, right? So which number has 2 at the ones place? The correct option is 32. The only number that have 2 at the ones place is 32. So the correct option is 32. Got it? The next one is I have a 6 at the ones place. I am greater than 56 but less than 76. Which is the correct option? So you have the number have the 6 at the ones place, right? And the number is greater than 56 and less than 76. So you have three options: 66, 46, and 60. This is not the, because you have 6 at the ones place, right? You can check for. Also 46 is less than 56. So the only correct option is 66, because very good. 66 is the number that is between 56 and 76. So the correct option is 66. I am an odd number. I'm greater than 46 but less than 49. So which is the correct option? Greater than 46 but less than 49. You have 47 and 48. So odd number it is. Which is the correct option? 47 it is. The only odd number here is now 47. So the correct option is 47. Okay, the next one is I am an odd number. I'm greater than 75 but less than 79. Which is the correct option? The correct option is 75. Between 75 and 79 you have 76, 77, and 78. 76 and 78 are the even numbers, so the only odd number is 77. The correct option is 77. I am a 4. I have a 4 in the one. I have a 4. I have a 4 in the ones place. I am greater than 59 but less than 56. Which number am I? Which is the correct option? The number is greater than 59 but less than 56. So 54 is not included because the number is greater than 59. So which is the correct option? Think and then answer. The correct option is yes, that is 64 because 74 is greater than 66. So the correct option is 64 is the correct option. I am an odd number. You do not say me when you count by fives. I am greater than 2 but less than 6. What number am I? The correct option is you do not say me when you count by five, right? So the numbers that are greater than 2 and less than 6 are 3, 4, and 5. So that means 5 is not included because you cannot say me when you count by fives. Now you have 3 and 4, which is the odd number. The correct option is 3 is the correct option, right? Because the only odd number is 3, 4 is an even number. The correct option is 3. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Next lesson means I'm going to start with the next chapter because this chapter have only one lesson, that is guess the numbers, and we have done with the lesson. Now let's just move on to next chapter, that is multiplication. Okay, the next we're going to start with the chapter multiplication, and the lesson we're going to start with is multiplication tables for 2, 3, and 4. Let's just start with the lesson. So basically, multiplication and addition are exactly same, right? Either you add again and again or either you multiply. The answer is exactly same. The first example is 2 times 5. So either you add 2 5 times or either you add 5 2 times. The answer is exactly same, right? That would be 2 times 5 is 10. So if you add 5 2 times or if you add 2 5 times, they both are exactly correct. So 2 times 5 is 10. Got it? But that's for the, like, when you have two digit numbers or three digit numbers, then that would be very difficult to add like this. So you must learn the multiplication tables. Let's just start with the test questions. 4 times 2, which is the correct option? So you can add 4 two times or 2 4 times, which is the correct option? The correct option is A, 2 times 4 is 8. Option number 2 is the correct option. So if you still haven't started with the tables, that's the time you have to start with the multiplication tables, right? The next one is 4 times 3, which is the correct option? Oh, sorry. 4 times 4 is 4 times 4 equals. The correct option is 16. 4 times 4 is 16. The next one is 2 times 4, which is the correct option. 2 times 4 equal. The correct option is 8. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 2 equals. The correct option is 2 times 2 is 4. The correct option is 4. 3 times 2 equals. The correct option is 6. 3 times 2 is 6. The next one is 4 times 5, which is the correct option. The correct option is 5 times 4 is 20. Okay, we are done with the lesson. Let's just move on to next lesson. The next one is multiplication tables up to 5. Let's just start with the lesson. Okay, let's just start with the practice questions, right? The first one is 0 times 2, which is the correct option. 0 times 2 is 0. Any number when multiplied by 0 is 0. 3 times 1, which is the correct option. 3 times 1 is 3. The correct option is 3. 0 times 3 equal 3 times 0 times 3 is 0, right? Any number when multiplied 0 makes the answer 0. 5 times 4 equals 5 times 4 is, yes, 20. It is the correct option is 20. The next one is 2 times 4, which is the correct option. That is 2 times 4 equals 8. The correct option is 8. 0 times 3 equals, the correct option is 0. It is 3 times 0 is 0. 5 times 1 equals, the correct option is 5. 5 times 1 is 5. Option 1 is the correct option. The next one is 2 times 2, which is the correct option. The correct option is 2 times 2 is 4. The correct option is 4. The correct option is 3 times 3 is 9. The correct option is 9. 5 times 0 is 0. It is 0 times 5 is 0. And I think we are done with the lesson. Also, once again, we are done with all the lessons on grade 2 maths. Okay, let's just do the final test because we have nothing to do. Let's just kill the time. 0 times 3 equals 0 times 3 equals 0. The correct option is 0. Okay, 0 times 2 equals, the correct option is 0. 5 times 0 is 5 times 0 is 0. The correct option is 0. Three times 3 is 9. The correct option is 9. 3 times 3 is 9. The next one is 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is, the correct option is 4. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 2 equals, the correct option is 4. 2 times 5, which is the correct option. The correct option is 10. 2 times 5 is 10. 4 times 2 equals, The correct option is 8. 4 times 2 equals 8. The next one is 2 times 4, which is the correct option. 2 times 4 is 8. The correct option is 8. The next one is 4 times 4. 4 times 4 equals 16. Option 1 is the correct option. 4 times 3, which is the correct option. The correct option is 12. 4 times 3 is 12. 3 times 2 equals, yes, 6 it is. The correct option is 6. 4 times 5 is, yes, 20 it is. The correct option is 20. 0 times 3 is 0. The correct option is 0. 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So, we were working on grade 2 math. The chapter we were working on is, we have started with the chapter logical reasoning. Then the one we are on right now is multiplication. And the lessons we have covered today are multiplication tables for 2, 3, and 4, and then multiplication tables up to 5, right? So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. That is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10. So that's all for today. If you have any questions related to the lessons we have just covered, you can please ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Any questions you can please ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So please ask. Multiplication and the logical reasoning. These are the lessons we're working on. So now you have to tell me what you learned today because these are the lessons we are working on.